In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set up PayPal as your payment method on your form. Being able to seamlessly integrate PayPal provides a convenient option for those looking to streamline transactions, either for a business or personal use. So, let's dive right into the process and walk through it step by step. First, you need to access your form. Locate your form where you'd like to set up the payment method. This could be a form you've recently designed, or perhaps an existing one that you already have in place but are looking to enhance with new payment capabilities. Once you've got your form open, you should see a series of tabs that can help you navigate to different settings. What you're going to want to focus on is the Payments tab. This tab is typically positioned amongst other configuration options. It's important because it's where you'll make all the changes related to how your form processes payments. Now, within the Payments tab, you'll find several options for different payment gateways. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on PayPal. Choose PayPal from the list as we're setting it up for the form. The reason many opt for PayPal is its reliability and widespread recognition. It's been a staple in online transactions for many years, offering a trusted way for customers to pay. Once you select PayPal, you'll be prompted to log in. Here's where you need to enter your personal details. Make sure you log in using your personal PayPal email address. This step is crucial as it connects your PayPal account with the form, facilitating transactions. Be sure that the email address you enter is the one associated with your PayPal account to avoid any verification issues or transaction delays. After you've successfully logged in with your credentials, you'll want to confirm that everything is set up correctly. You've done all the hard work, so now it's important to lock in those settings. Proceed to save your settings. This ensures that all the changes you've made won't be lost and that your form is now ready to accept payments securely via PayPal. It's a simple click, and once done, your form is equipped to handle transactions smoothly. Just like that, you've transformed your form into a dynamic tool capable of efficiently handling payments through PayPal. This setup not only enhances its functionality, but also provides users with a familiar and secure payment option. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped make the process easy to understand and implement. Be sure to stay tuned for more tutorials on how to maximize the effectiveness of your online tools.